welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So as winters are here and we all are looking for amazing sweatshirts, hoodies, some sweaters. So yes, I bought a lot of winter wear. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the very first thing I bought is this beautiful sweatshirt and it's a hoodie. So this is in this baby pink color. Just look at this. I just love the color of this. Actually, I love baby pink color and this is so soft. The fabric is amazing. इसके अंदर ये कुछ ऐसा fabric है. And this is not for those heavy winters. This is going to keep you warm, but only for light winters. बहुत ही lovely color है इसका and इसके साथ भी इसके सेंटर में यहाँ पे एक zip है, which is also in pink color. And this is something like this. Then and ये अंदर से कुछ ऐसे दिखता है. Then ये beautiful hoodie के साथ आता है. It has these long sleeves and आगे ये ऐसे है. This is from this brand called Campus Sutra and I bought this in XL size. Okay, so in case you wanna know my height, I'm 5'8" in height. यहाँ पे ये दोनों sides पे आपको pockets मिलेंगे and the fabric is very lovely and the fabric is very soft. है बहुत ही amazing feel होता है पहनने के बाद. And this I got for 550 rupees, so very amazing deal. I don't have it tagged with me, so मैं इसका original price आपको screen पे डाल दूंगी. And I got this for 550 rupees. This I bought from Ajio and very amazing fabric. The fabric quality, this is very thick and according to the price point, this is very amazing. You can definitely invest in this. And okay, so next is this beautiful hoodie from Famila brand and just look at this. This is very amazing. I just love these kind of hoodies. यहाँ पे center में जिसमें zip होती है वो मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. I love these kind of close hoodies. It's a beautiful beige color hoodie and this is very thick. This is definitely meant for heavy winters. And if you live in very cold regions, then go for this. This is amazing. In sale, I got this for 450 rupees and this is so good. The quality is superb. As you can see, ये full sleeves के साथ आता है and the length is something like this. And यहाँ पे आगे आपको pockets मिलेंगे दोनों side पे and नीचे यहाँ पे elastic है. The fabric quality is very amazing. पहनने के बाद ये आपको बहुत ही soft लगेगा and this is definitely going to give you that smart look. I love this hoodie and yes, you should definitely invest in this. I think it's a unisex hoodie, so the fabric quality is good and everything is just perfect. Under this is something like this. So this was originally priced at rupees 1699, but after discount I got this for 450 rupees. So amazing deal and lovely hoodie. I got this beautiful black color open cardigan from Only brand. 100% woolen है, so this is very warm. But आपको यहाँ पे कोई buttons नहीं मिलेंगे. It is something like that overcoat jacket जहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा ठंडी नहीं लग रही होती है, but still you want to keep yourself warm. So go for this. This is amazing. Okay, so it was a bit expensive because of its quality. This was for 999 and the quality is amazing. This is very warm. I love these kind of cardigans when I don't want to wear sweatshirt and hoodies. And I know that थोड़ी देर में मैं उसे निकालने वाली हूँ, तो I go for this. This is amazing. And I bought this in the size XL. I normally wear L size tops. And in hoodies, jackets, sweatshirt, I go for XL so that वो ज़्यादा tight feel ना हो and वो baggy look मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है इसलिए एक size ज़्यादा खरीदना. So perfect. Next I bought this PU leather jacket from the brand called Fort Collins and has variety of winter wear. You can definitely check their collection. This is so amazing. I bought this from Myntra, but this is available on Flipkart also. So I bought this in the size XL, but I think ये XL जैसा नहीं है. This is like L size. This is like L. It's a very amazing, beautiful beige color jacket. If you want to buy jackets, then go for neutral colors. Then go for neutral colors because वो किसी के साथ भी बहुत अच्छे से match हो जाते हैं. And they definitely give you that beautiful royal look. So yes, very amazing leather jacket. It's not a pure leather. It's a PU leather and it's PU leather. So मुझे भी नहीं पता था what is PU leather. When I searched Google, I found that it's a synthetic leather. So I love the fact that no animal is harmed for making this leather. The quality is very amazing. This was originally priced at rupees 3500, but after discount I got this for 1800 in the sale. So I love the jacket. This is something like this. इसकी जिप क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है. इट्स इन दिस गोल्डन कलर एंड दिस इज बेज इन कलर. देन यहाँ पे ऊपर कोई तो भी टेक्सचर, यहाँ पे कुछ टेक्सचर, देन यहाँ पे कोई टेक्सचर दिया है. देन यहाँ पे आपको एक पॉकेट मिल जाएगी जिसके साथ जिप दी है. एंड सेम गोज फॉर हेयर. यहाँ पे भी एक पॉकेट है जिसमें आपको जिप दी है. देन द बैक लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. यहाँ पे भी कोई टेक्सचर पैटर्न दिया है. एंड इसकी इनर लाइनिंग भी बहुत अच्छी है. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज पॉलिस्टर. एंड यहाँ पे साइड में भी आपको एक पॉकेट मिल जाएगा. सो अंदर इनर लाइनिंग पॉलिस्टर फैब्रिक की है. आपको साइड में भी यहाँ पे एक पॉकेट मिल जाएगा अंदर की तरफ से. सो वेरी अमेजिंग जैकेट. आई लव दिस एंड फॉर दिस प्राइस पॉइंट आई थिंक दिस इज प्रीटी कूल. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज दिस ब्यूटिफुल स्वेटर फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड कॉल ईथर एंड दिस इज 100% एक्रेलिक. So as you can see ये पूरा ऐसे knitted है and this is something like this. Very beautiful baby pink color sweater. I love this and the quality is very good. Very beautiful pink color knitted sweater. The quality is very amazing and either brand में बहुत amazing colors है. You can definitely check. If you don't like pink color, no problem. बहुत सारे colors available है. Same fabric and I think same pattern में, just इसमें कुछ different designs है. You can style this in whatever way you want. This is very versatile. I love this and the quality is amazing. Then at the bottom you get this so beautiful sweater and I got this for 800 rupees. So lovely buy. Next is this a very beautiful polka dot sweatshirt and I got this from Reliance Trends. I don't know ये online available है या नहीं, but I think मैंने ये Myntra पे देखा तो I'll try to search the link for this. And it's a very beautiful 100% acrylic sweatshirt. This is pretty cool. I love pink color and ये polka dot print में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. This is in this combination of beige with pink and it has full sleeves like this. Then at the bottom you get something like this. But ये ना थोड़ा सा loose हो गया नीचे से, पता नहीं क्यों, but okay, no problem. Color is lovely and I got this for 500 rupees. So this is from this brand called Fig and I'm in the size XL. So I got this for 600 rupees. So pretty cool for 600 rupees. This is so lovely. मुझे इसका color and pattern बहुत अच्छा लगा. Actually I love tops या फिर sweatshirt कुछ भी with polka dots. मुझे polka dot pattern बहुत अच्छा लगता है. That's why I love this so much. And so yes, pretty cool deal. So yes, that's it for today's video. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and do subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Bye. We'll see you next time.